very low there. One on the right one. Looking straight ahead. Okay. Now, I want you to bend forward and tell me when the pain starts to bother you. Bend forward. Does that cause pain?
Sakit ba?
Just there. Okay. Alright. Now, leaning back for me. Lean back. Does that cause it or relieve it a little bit? Relieve? Makes it less? Yeah. Okay. Over to the left side. Over to the right side. Okay. Alright. Lift your knee up and down. Yep. And down. And the left one. And down. Okay. Alright. Now, Stephen, I'm going to grab you tightly around the pelvis. Hold you. I want you to just go forward and up. Tell me, you'll feel me holding, but does it make it feel worse or easier? Does that make the pain worse or less? Nothing, no different. Okay. Take a seat here.
Kaya wait sana. Kunya nag-session sa nagkan sa kalit lang.
Okay. Over like this. Over like this. Okay. All right. Put it all face down here on your stomach. Pop your arms here. Okay. Okay, come and have a look. You stay there, Steve. Just relax. Look at this. Look. Look at the difference.
Okay.
See how
Yeah.
big that difference is?
Yes. I
Right?
see.
12 millimeters. Right? 12 millimeter difference.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so you have a big pelvic problem on the right, Stephen.
If he walk also, I try to look her legs different.
Yes. Okay. Now, Stephen, roll onto this side, facing me. Tuck your lip, facing me. Right. So we're not anywhere near your disc. This is your pelvis. Okay. Bend here. Bend here. Let this come through to here. Good. This here. Here. Right on the sacroiliac here. Good.
Kuto.
And face down again. Good look.
Nikuto mo.
Good look. Face down. On your stomach.
Nikuto.
Okay, now look.
Okay.
You
That's
see?
good. Yeah, that's
Okay.
great.
Now his legs are level. all
Yes.
right? So, Stephen, this pelvis was rotated like this, making this leg 12 millimeters short. So we've adjusted your pelvis, now your legs are level. Now we're going to check your spine. Okay, so just rest there. When I press here, it's soft and spongy. Here it's tight. If I push on here, is this sakit?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you've got some muscle spasm here. Now this is the piriformis muscle, and the sciatic nerve comes from here through this muscle. Alright, now, Stephen, I want you to bring your right hand, just leave your head, everything there, just bring your right hand and put it here. And down, put it back down. Bring your right hand again. And down. Left hand to here. And down. Both hands to here. And down. Put your right hand to here. And down. Left hand up. And down. Both arms up together. And down. Turn your head to the right and just leave it there still. Lift this shoulder up and down. Put your hand here and down. I want you to shrug your shoulders and relax. Head back to the center. Lift your head up and look straight ahead. And tuck your head to your chest. Look down to your stomach. Okay. Alright. Roll onto your back. Noisy, eh? Pretty loud. Relax this here. Alright, slide down a little. Put this hand here. You relax your shoulder. There we go. Good, good, good. Alright, sitting up for me. And come back over here. Alright, so your pelvis was very misaligned. It's going to cause a lot of stress. We also adjusted L5 vertebra, okay, which was causing the problems. You've got other areas now. I want to see you again tomorrow. When I see you tomorrow, we're going to check all your spine, but I want to see how level your pelvis is, if you've stabilised there. Now,
What I work ugma?
I also want to know from you tomorrow what you feel or notice different. Now you might feel, as I said, you could feel, oh, it's a lot better, or you probably won't feel much different with that disc area, but you might feel overall, I just feel a lot lighter or relaxed, okay? So take this to have a read. One side's in English, one side's Tagalog. But we're going to take you over here to do some vibropercussion massage. Now, after we've done this, you can put your brace back on, okay? And make a time with Donald to get in tomorrow, and then I'll have a chat to you about some other things as well, once I check to see the changes that have occurred, all right? So, sorry? Oh, I don't know. Talk to him, yeah. So bring all your stuff over here.
Mo na?
Okay.
He's online though.
He's online?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's weird.
Is this your phone, Stephen? Is this your phone? Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Let me see. Hang on, wait. Here we go, Donald.
It's not.
Ano siya tawagan na dong?
Percussive massager.
Okay.
Is that your wife? Yes, it's got a
Great.
Ah, sorry. Oh, pasudlon niyang wife. Pasudlon ka. Okay. Mag video hilit to. Kay mag video.
What was your question, Mark?
For me, the white one, I'm thinking look something for another thing.
Yes.
Yes, to supplement the, is it okay?
Yeah, sure. Okay, let's go through, I don't know anything about you yet. Let me read all this and then any questions you might have. You might say, you want to talk about something.
Ay, ganda lang yan.
Alright, so, in your job as a businessman, are you lifting or sitting or driving? What are you doing?
I'm just looking at the arrangements, or quite clean.
Right, ready to sleep here, right?
So most of the time I travel on Thailand.
Alright, very good.
But I constantly go to the gym.
Na-feel ni mo ganiha, Reg nga, ni Koto. Kusog kayo to eh.
Yes.
Okay.
Oo.
You've got next level.
Diba?
So where's-
Mato na, kuan, natoy ugat na kuan sa imuhang kuan nga.
A year already, or 2 years already. I'm running with back pains, yes. But sometimes if I'm standing like an hour already, even if we go to church, yes, the pain from here and here.
Okay. Right, so the.
And this is very numb.
Yes.
Sometimes when we're going on vacation, I have to sit down and I have to walk. Then I just but I'm just wondering if I walk very fast, I can feel the pain that much rather than standing straight.
Yes.
Or if I even run,
Excuse
it's okay.
Let's read through here first. Yeah, often when you have a pelvic misalignment, you also end up with a hamstring issue. Because when pelvis moves, one muscle, one hamstring is very tight, the other one's normal. And so any exertion, bang, that hamstring will tear because it's, yeah. Understand it's sprain, it's 6 months, and that's not very big.
Yeah, that's after I on my left side.
Yeah.
And right now, I'm having, this is occasional, I'm having a stiff neck.
So, okay ra na siya ikaligo after anak niya.
Yeah, that thing that you've got, that problem. Misalignment, subluxation.